guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie if you are new here, and today is Friday. It's just after 3 p.m. and every Friday I like to get the house ready for the weekend, whether that's cleaning or tidying things up and just getting ready so we can actually have fun and enjoy ourselves. Or in this case, this weekend we're going down to our new home to do a bunch of cleaning and work that needs to be done before we move in. So I just want to get stuff out of the way here. And I need to do my master bedroom and do a deep clean in here. The floors need to be done. I have laundry. I have some tidying up around the house. You guys know the drill. But thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to like this video. It really helps my channel out. And also subscribe if you like this kind of content. I post all sorts of cleaning motivational videos, and I'd love for you to check some of my other videos out. But let's go ahead and get started now. Okay, so at first glance, it's really not too bad. I already made my bed today. Hi, baby kitty. This is baby cat. She's not a baby anymore. Her real name's Ray, but she's forever my baby cat. Yeah, so it's not too bad, but I have this pile of stuff that needs to be hung up. Oh my gosh, it's terrible. And just some general organizing. I also have the floors I need to do. I don't know if you can see here. But floors definitely need to be swept and mopped. The carpet always just needs to be done. Wow guys, it has been a while since I posted anything on YouTube, and actually as I'm doing this voiceover, this footage was filmed over a month ago now, and I'm now moved into my new home. It's been a pretty busy time, not only with moving, but the holidays and everything. So I've just been, pretty busy with that and trying to get settled in here, and just haven't had the time to get back into making videos. But I had this footage that I wanted to finish putting together for you guys, and I'm excited to show you guys my new house. I've already started filming some other videos for you guys to see. But I hope you guys had a really nice, happy holiday season with your families, a happy new year, whatever you guys were doing. We, of course, everything's low-key. And so we were just with my mom and my family, who we have been seeing, and we all get tested regularly. So, yeah, and then the celebration continues with actually my mother-in-law and my husband's brother-in-law's birthdays are tomorrow, and then my birthday is on Wednesday. And then my son is on January 16th, so it just feels like it doesn't stop. But, I'm just looking forward to moving on from 2020. I hope that this year can be better, but, it's already been a pretty grim outlook with just a lot of the negativity, and with COVID still surging. And unfortunately, we lost my husband's grandfather just a couple days after Christmas to COVID, and so it's just a real reminder for continuing to be safe as we enter into this new year. And I just am waiting for that light at the end of the tunnel, so that we can just go back to normal. I don't even know if we ever will, but I'm hopeful. So definitely a lot to look forward to this year. My daughter will be starting kindergarten, and yeah, so we have our new house that we're working on. I have a lot to show you guys here, a lot of projects that we have working on, and planning and trying to design, because this house, it does need some updating. But yeah, I just had this video from before of when I was cleaning. I have also a recipe at the end of this video. It's an every plate recipe. It's some ponzu chicken stir fry. It was delicious. I definitely recommend Every Plate. They have really good meals, and it seems super simple. Now I just go online and kind of look at what their menu is and then get ideas and inspiration, because in all honesty, the boxes are just not realistic for us. I like to have leftovers, and I feel like my budget, I'm able to make more food myself than buying those boxes, but they're really fun when I do get to enjoy those. So definitely stick around to see that.
up, I'm just going through with the Bissell Hard Floor Expert, and this is a vacuum made for hard floors. It does have an attachment for carpet, which unfortunately I ruined, and so I had to throw it away. But this is a pretty good vacuum, and it worked very well when I first got it. However, the brushes have stopped working. I'm not sure why. And it is kind of a pain to lug around and also store. And I, a couple weeks ago, actually got a surprise on my doorstep from my uncle and my aunt. They sent us a housewarming gift, and it was a brand new Dyson. And so I was so excited. I haven't been using this vacuum since, and the Dyson is amazing. Like, I don't even know how I lived before without it. So I will be getting rid of this one. And then this Shark stick vacuum, which was great, especially for like quick little, sweeping around the kitchen after dinner. And it worked really well on this rug as well. But this actually broke in the move. It snapped in half. So that vacuum couldn't have come at a better time. Next, I'm just going through with the Shark Steam Mop and going to clean the tile floors.
Okay, so real quick, I just wanted to show you guys the after shot. My corner's all clean here. That box is going to the new house this weekend. And just a little bit more organized. That bag over there has a printer in it that I need to figure out for one of my clients before I set it up in her home. But just to remind me, I need to get it done.
I didn't need to do any deep cleaning in my bathroom, but just wanted to tidy it up a little bit and make it look neater. It was hard in this house because we just didn't have a lot of space to store, so my vacuums were there in the corner. Also, you can't see, but that's where I would keep like my steam mop and everything. We did not have a garage or a shed on the property, and so I just feel so much lighter now. After watching this footage back and seeing just like how I felt like I didn't have space and easily stressed. Like, look at this mess. That's another thing is like now the kids, they have we have 2 bedrooms. Well, we have 4, but we have 2 bedrooms for the kids, and they decided they wanted to actually sleep in the same room in the new house, which is fine. Like, my brother and I, we shared a room until we were like 12 years old. And especially being in a new house, just being a little scared. It's a new place. You don't really know it well. And so we have them in like a Jack and Jill bedroom. And then we have the other room as their homeschool room and playroom. And it is so nice because I feel like in their bedroom, it just has their beds and their clothes. And I need to get like a little nightstand for in there. But it just feels so much more calm and peaceful. And like you can actually rest in there because it doesn't have all this crazy clutter and toys all around. And then the other room, it's organized, and it's meant to have the toys. And so I just feel better about it. Like, I just don't feel as stressed when I walk into their room, and toys are everywhere and clothes are everywhere. It's like separated, and I actually really like that. I like that when they go to bed now, it's not a mess that we have to clean up of toys. It's just like a peaceful place where they can rest. And actually, when I was filming this, it was almost bedtime, and I just was feeling like I didn't want to clean earlier in the day because she was just going to make more of a mess anyways. But that's something that I've been working on with her is doing one mess at a time, cleaning something up before you move on, and just like not strew everything all over your bedroom. But that's another reason why I actually don't end up making the bed in this video. I just kind of fluff it and make it comfortable and cozy for her to get into, not soon after.
Okay, so it's dinner time now, and I'm going to be making this ponzu punch chicken stir fry. I got this from Every Plate. They did not sponsor this video. I actually got a free box from a friend of mine. She loves them. And we had their smash burgers already, and they were really good. And then we have this loaded baked potato chowder, which I'll probably make not tomorrow, but probably Sunday. And I'll probably add a salad just because my husband, I love soup, but he always feels like he needs a salad with it. But I do so far love the Every Plate. There's a few things, and it's not just Every Plate, it's with Blue Apron or HelloFresh. What I don't like is that there's no leftovers, and also it is quite a bit of prep work. Like, for example, this loaded baked potato chowder, I make a really good crock pot baked potato soup, and I just use frozen hash browns or diced potatoes. It's a game changer if you haven't used that when you're making your potato soup. It comes out so good, and there's virtually no prep time. I just have to cut an onion and sometimes like do bacon and stuff like that. But I'm sure it's really, really good because everything's been great. The produce and the food quality is amazing. So I know it's going to be delicious. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started on that now.
First thing you're going to want to do is wash and prep your veggies. So I'm just dicing up this long green pepper. And they are not spicy. It was really mild. I'm very sensitive to spice, and I think this recipe calls for like a little bit of sriracha to make like a spicy mayo. But luckily, I mean, you can control how much you put in, and so I just made it more mild for me. Just a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise and then a little bit of the stir fry seasoning that it came with. And then I was wrong, it's actually ketchup, but the stir fry seasoning had some spice in it, and I actually really liked the seasoning a lot better than I normally buy, like the bottles of stir fry sauce, and I really liked it a lot better. So I'm gonna look out for stir fry seasoning next time I decide to make something like this. And then I just made the rice on the side, and I'm starting to cook everything up. I have the chicken in there first. It's already cut up and prepped for you. And then the stir fry seasoning, salt and pepper, and then add in the veggies and just cook it all. It off, you're going to put in 4 tablespoons of ponzu sauce. I actually have ponzu in my refrigerator. I love it. It's so good on, I love like a salmon salad. Super simple, and ponzu just delicious. But I've never used it in my stir fry, and now that I've made it like this, I don't think I'll ever make it with like a stir fry sauce bottle ever again. Also, you add in some butter there to kind of make it more saucy and delicious. And you just put your rice down and then the stir fry on top, and you're going to top it with the spicy mayo. This is a really good meal and definitely one that I'm going to recreate in the future. Like I said, I don't usually buy these types of boxes. It's just not as realistic for our family, but the food is always so good, and if my budget allowed it, I might do it more often. But definitely I recommend this. I've tried HelloFresh, I've tried Blue Apron, now this is Every Plate, and they're all good. This one was super easy, simple, and delicious. This concludes our video for today, so thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy to be back. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!